Hey everyone, welcome back to WilmerWoodWorks. My name is Steve. And first, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who has supported me in this channel over the past year. Whether you've been here from the start or just joined the community recently, you've helped shape this channel to what it is today. Today, I just want to give a little behind the scenes view of how my channel's been functioning. My revenue, my expenses, my subscribers, my views. So buckle in, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage, and let's dive right in. Before we do go, I just want to make sure everybody is aware. So I am currently on YouTube, and unfortunately, I haven't had many shorts out there in the past on YouTube because I made the unfortunate mistake of contributing to TikTok before I knew that they were going to be banned. So I got a question for you. In the comments below, if you were on TikTok and you enjoyed the platform, where are you going? What new apps have you downloaded? Where should I be looking into? So leave that below. I decided to try to start getting into Instagram. So I've got 68 whole followers over there. So if you are on Instagram and you are on the YouTube channel, check us out on Instagram. So a lot more of the behind the scenes kind of photos. Let's kick things off with a quick recap of 2024. This year has been a big one for WilmerWoodWorks because we officially hit monetization on October 10th. Since then, the channel has grown to over 3,243 subscribers, and we've surpassed 225,000 lifetime views. And our total watch time, lifetime hours are sitting around 11,000 hours. Not bad for a woodworking and laser engraving channel that's still finding its footing. Okay, so let's look at the numbers. So for the year of 2024, started off very slow for subscribers. So in January of 2024, I only had 297 subscribers to the channel. And I say only because of where we are now. I mean, only, it's a relative term. We grew steadily over the next couple of months. April to May, not really. Only maybe 10, 20 here and there. Everything really jumped off in October. And that is when I decided to do my first laser engraving tutorial because I knew I was struggling with creating layered designs in Lightburn with my laser, and it was really a daunting task. But once I started to dive into it, I found out how easy it was, and I wanted to share that with everybody else because I felt like if I had that issue and that hesitation, then others probably did as well. So I recorded a couple of videos and I edited it up, and the first video that I put out there was the layered design, and it took off. So everybody, I guess, was having the same struggles that I was, and they benefited from the video. And I gave the video or the templates out for free, and I think people really enjoyed that as well. So I followed that up with more templates, more tutorials, but then I started to pull back a little bit on what I was offering for free and then just charging, $1 for the time. And then October, November, and December, everything still kind of was snowballing in that direction. Revenue-wise, though, we'll get into that. Everything did slow down a bit, actually. So on the website, I had $44 in sales opposed to the month before with 52. Etsy picked up. I had $51 in sales. The month before, I had 29. Cults 3D, I was able to make a withdrawal of $8.48. This is where everything slowed down, was on YouTube. So the views, subscribers kept going up, but the views really slowed down in December because I think I missed the finishing of that wave for people that were making Christmas gifts. Either they were doing it in October, November, so by December they were already done. And same thing with craft shows as well. You're not going to many Christmas craft shows at the end of December. So the views had substantially slowed down. That's why the YouTube ads were only at $145. The shorts slowed down. Like I said before, I made the mistake of investing my time and energy into TikTok, and now TikTok is being banned. So again, if you know what platform I should be looking at, or if I should just be sitting here on YouTube Shorts and just cutting my videos up, let me know in the comments below. I'd really love to know what your thoughts are on all that. Memberships. I did start with memberships, and with the memberships, if you want to join, there's 3 different levels, and the second level would really benefit you the most because I will offer discounts, coupon codes for free downloads through the website. And I am gearing up to do a lot more digital designs on the website for laser engraving. Because one of the cool things is, with the holidays and all the deals, I was able to get a rotary tool. So now I can do tumblers and cups and all that. So I can make those cylindrical designs to go around those cups. So I'll be working on tutorials for how to set that up for yourself, for an aftermarket one, so you don't have to buy the name brand ones, and for the digital designs, how to design the wrap. With the Amazon affiliates, I made about $34, and that's again with all the links in the videos for anything that I may use. You can buy those products on Amazon and I get a small commission. Direct sales, I had a few people reach out to me after my craft shows and asked me to make some Christmas designs, Christmas projects. So I did that, and that turned out to be about $120. So all in all, I made about $410. But then the expenses. So I tried a couple of different things new in December, and one of those was my U-log video. I made like a 2 or 3 hour video thinking that when people are home relaxed and chilling with the family, they could put something on their TV, just watch a 2 hour video of Christmas decor and Christmas songs, but I needed the songs. So I went on Epidemic Sound because they give it to you as royalty free as long as you have an account. So my plan was to sign up for 1 month. I made the mistake, or 2-week trial, I think it was. 2-week or 3-week trial. Anyway, I made the mistake and I did not cancel soon enough, so they charged me $18. So I have that until the end of this month. And then my computer equipment. I do have to pay for the new camera that I have. I've got the Sony camera, and I've got the laptop that's really allowing me to make videos faster now. And I put a little bit aside for YouTube taxes because I'm still not 100% sure on how that works. I'll find that out more toward the end of this month, if and when they give me a W-2. So hopefully they're withholding all of that, but if not, I'm kind of squirreling a little bit away here and there in case I do need to pay that. So that is where my revenue and expenses have gone and my subscriber count. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing in 2024. I was really, one of the biggest challenges that I've been facing is the content type. A lot of the new subscribers and a lot of the video views is from the video of the light burn tutorial with Christmas ornaments. And I enjoy making tutorials, and I'm going to make a playlist, and I'm going to do a light burn 101, and I'm going to go through every single window and sub window in light burn to explain how everything works and to show clear as day where and when you should be using certain tools. But I'm a little nervous about a drop in viewers and subscribers when I tilt back to general woodworking, such as cutting boards and tables and things like that, shop organization, table saw repair, general woodworking videos. I hope that that translates to a lot of the other subscribers, but time will tell in 2025. Now let's talk about the key goals that I've planned for myself for 2025. I know it's probably not the best strategy to kind of like air that out in January, but we'll see how it goes. I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. That is like batting for the fences. That's my dream goal. If I hit 7,000, will I be happy? Of course. Am I happy I'm at 3,000? Definitely. But 10,000 by January or by December of this year, that would be my dream goal. To do that, I'm going to focus on evergreen content like light burn tutorials, project builds and shop upgrades. So we've got a lot of those videos. In the beginning too, I was doing 2 videos per week. I kind of slowed that down during the holidays to 1 video. So come February, I'm going to try to do 2 to 3 videos per week. I'm going to do some diversified content. So in the past, I've done a few lives, haven't been very consistent with those. Full-length videos and shorts. Shorts are kind of hit and miss. I'm going to dedicate some time to doing shorts. I'm going to stay in my workshop. I'm going to put together some decent content for shorts, record them all out, batch them in a day, and then schedule them out. That's the plan. So you're going to see a mix of woodworking, engraving, tutorials, live streams, shorts, and full-length videos. 2025 is going to be a lot of growth for the channel and experimentation. And I am so glad to have you along for the journey. If there's anything you'd like to see, projects, tutorials, or even a shop tour, let me know in the comments below. I would love for your suggestions, so I make sure that the content that I'm making is directed straight to you. Here's to making 2025 the best year for WilmerWoodWorks. Until next time, don't forget, if you like the content, share it, leave some comments, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, my name is Steve, and I appreciate you spending some time. Thanks, and see you next time.